Hello everyone, I want again to welcome you to this new lesson. Remember, we are still discussing about different or specialized interpreting situations. So in this lesson, I want us to focus on religious interpreting, and we say that religious interpreting occurs in settings, of course, that require spiritual or are spiritual in nature. So those ones require spiritual nourishment. So these settings, remember, can include worship services. We can talk about religious education. We can talk about religious workshops, religious conferences, religious retreats, religious confession, scripture study. We talk about religious youth activities, religious counseling setting, of course. We talk about a religious tour or a pilgrimage. We talk about religious weddings, a funeral that involves religious burial, or other specialized ceremonies, of course, in line with the religion. So, meaning to say that in this type of interpreting situation, we need to know, to be well versed with the holy books. If, of course, you are a Christian, you must be able to master or to be able to know the Bible. So, know some of the books in the Bible, master some of the verses, the names of people mentioned in the Bible, among other things, so that during the events, such like events that involves religious setup, you are able to understand and communicate and look well informed about the event. So meaning to say that we as interpreters, of course, those one of us that involves in religious interpretation, we have to be well informed about the holy books so that we are able to interpret appropriately, because we have said in religious interpreting situations, it's all about spiritual nourishment. So you make sure that everyone or all the congregations or congregators get the information as it comes from the religious person or whoever is speaking, of course, in the religious context, to ensure that people who are there, they are able to get nourished from the word. So ensure you practice. See you.